Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing the 17-18 Barcelona away player version jersey. Here are the tags. This is the large version. Tags legit. The Nike logo and the Barcelona logo have this rubbery feel to it. This is the player version, so as you may be able to see here, there's different texture to the cloth, almost like a kind of like a needle, kind of different dotted pattern to it. You can see here the La Liga logo, again with this kind of dotted pattern up here. This side has the Beko. Down here you'll see the gold authentic Nike, which is used on the player version jerseys. So if I turn it around, I got the Andres Iniesta version. This is his last year with the club, which is why I got it. Numbers and the name look good. Screen printed on. I got this jersey pretty quickly. Took about a little more than a week. This is the large size. So these player version jerseys run a little smaller, a little more snug than the stadium versions, which are a little cheaper. These player version jerseys are the jerseys worn on the field. They're supposed to keep you cooler, so they claim. So I'm normally a medium for the stadium version. I had to get a large for the player version because medium player versions ran a little too snug for me. You can see there's a little thread here, not too bad. Just cut it off, no biggie. But yeah, great quality from minejerseys.vip. Highly recommend it. Very affordable jerseys, great quality. Looks great. Can't wait to rock it later. Check out the link in the descriptions. And thank you for watching. Bye.